Hey everyone, today I'm here in the heart of Brussels at Central Station and I want to share something super useful for travelers. How to store your luggage here while you explore the beautiful city hands free. Whether you are on a quick layover or just want to lug your bags around, this guide will show you how easy and convenient the luggage storage system is at Brussels Central Station. So let's dive in. So at the main entrance you need to go one level down, either take stairs or elevator, so both possibilities are there. And then you take a right turn from here and then you can see straight ahead there are elevators, you could take those as well. And then again on the right side you can see this baggage sign, so there you have the luggage storage. Looking for the baggage lockers at the Brussels Central Station. Here are the lockers. It is one level down and here's the machine where you pay. I'll show you in detail what are the prices for different size of lockers. So XL, and this is the double XL, and that's the XL for a medium sized suitcase. And then you have large here, it's almost half of the double XL. There's plenty of space, but you got to pay before you use the locker. So you can see, pay before. So let me just quickly walk through those steps you need to perform. So first you select the language, English is always there, and then you select the size of the locker you need based on how much luggage you have, and then minimum is 1 day. So you cannot select 12 hours or 8 hours, you can select at least 1 day or more depending on how many days you need it for. And then you will go for the payment based on which type of locker you have selected. So there is the price for different lockers. I've selected an extra large, and the prices might change in a month or so because new year is coming, so you can see that they are available there. And then it will ask you for a password, so you select your password, and once you type in your password it will ask you to select a sign. I don't know why, but you have to select one sign. So I selected this bell icon, and once you select that it will ask you to repeat the password, so you got to repeat the same password you have selected, and then you will select again the same sign, and that's it. And then it will automatically open, and you can see this 14 number is open for me, so you will go to that locker and then just need to put your luggage in, and then just make sure that it is locked before you leave. So as you can see, there's plenty of room in the extra large locker, and you can put one large cabin size hand carry as well as a backpack. That's what I'm doing. I'm putting whatever I can, what I don't need, and then I'll make sure that it is locked. So now just double check if it is properly locked, and that's it. And now you can enjoy the city center or any other places, have lunch, dinner, whatever time of the day it is. There are plenty of options outside there because you are in the middle of the city center. So apart from the context of the video, there are a few suggestions I would like to give you before I would like to show you how to get your bags out of the locker once you are done strolling in the city center. So I would definitely recommend you to go for Belgian waffles as well as Belgian chocolate, and the third thing which is most important here is the Belgian fries. So if you haven't tried these three things, then probably you haven't been to Brussels. So do try, and you will definitely enjoy it. Especially this Mexicano sauce comes with the fries is my favorite. So let me just show you how to take your bag out from the locker. It's again an easy step. So again, it's a simple walk. You just go down and then go to the machine. Don't forget your password, select the language, and then you just type in your password. And once you type in password, you will just select the same sign. So don't forget your password, don't select your sign, and then it will ask you for two options, whether you want to take out some stuff or you would just want to end the session. So I am done, so I will end the session. So basically, in case you need something from your bag and you still want to keep your rental locker, you can just use that option and just lock it again. I have ended my session. I'm heading to my next destination. I hope this video helps you your trip to Brussels and you can safely store your luggage in these lockers hassle free. So I hope you will have fun in Brussels. Enjoy. Bye bye.